Hello dear friends, this is Devashish and I welcome you all to my channel Statistics Curiosity. Friends, as you already know, India has always been a land of knowledge and exceptional talent. The concept of Sankhiki, that is statistics, has been an integral part of Indian civilization since ancient times. It plays an important role in administration, governance, trade and planning. Over the years, Indian statisticians have made remarkable contributions to fields such as sample survey, statistical inference, experimental design, and many other areas, earning global recognition for their pioneering work. So, in this video, we will learn about the lives, achievements, and contributions of some of the most eminent Indian statisticians. This topic is especially important for aspirants preparing for UGC NET, ISS exam, Indian Statistical Institute's related exam, and other government exams related to statistics. Okay. So also if you want to understand the Indian statistical system in detail, I have also made a video, dedicated video, and it is available. So now let's begin our journey through the lives of India's legendary statisticians. Okay, so the first one is Prasant Chandra Mahalanobis, PC Mahalanobis. Okay, many of you must heard about PC Mahalanobis. He is termed as father of statistics in India, and he is also the founder of Indian Statistical Institute. So he revolutionized the application of statistics to socio-economic planning and national development. Let's see his contributions. So one of the most important contribution of him is Mahalanobis distance, that is D square. He introduced it in 1936 to compare measurements across human populations. It is a multi-dimensional metric quantifying the distance between a point and a distribution. His second contribution is large-scale sample surveys. He pioneered probability-based sample surveys, demonstrating that rigorously sampled data yields more precise, economical, and timely results than a full-scale population census. Next is he also provided pilot surveys, created the concept of pilot surveys, preliminary small-scale studies to evaluate survey logistics, variance, and cost parameters. He also developed or innovated interpenetrating network of subsamples IPNS, a method to control non-sampling and investigator biases by deploying independent parallel subsamples to analyze data disparity. Apart from these contributions, there is one more contribution of Sir P.C. Mahalanobis was the Mahalanobis model. It was included in second five-year plan. Okay, so he formulated the two sector and four sector economic growth models implemented in India's second five-year plan from 1956 to 1961. Okay, and apart from these, he founded the ISI, Indian Statistical Institute in Kolkata. He established the Central Statistical Organization CSO. He also launched the International General Sankhya, and he formed the National Sample Survey. Okay, NSS. Now, the second important figure is C.R. Rao, Sir C.R. Rao. Sir C.R. Rao is the recipient of International Prize in Statistics. I should tell you that this International Prize in Statistics is a very big thing. It is actually Nobel, you can say it as a Nobel in statistics, Nobel of Statistics. Okay, it is the largest possible award given in the field of statistics. He was a towering figure whose mathematical proofs during the 1940s laid the structural foundation of contemporary mathematical statistics and estimation theory. If any student have studied statistics in their graduation or in post-graduation or studied inference, statistical inference, he must know the Cramér-Rao inequality and the Rao-Blackwell theorem. Okay, so these were one of the most important contributions of Sir C.R. Rao. So the Cramér-Rao inequality, this intuition, this inequality, the variance of theta hat is greater than equals to 1 upon I theta. Here theta hat is the unbiased estimator. So he establishes the foundation, fundamental mathematical limit for the precision of an unbiased estimator. Okay, so it states that the variance of any unbiased estimator theta hat is bounded below by the reciprocal of Fisher information I theta. Okay, and he also provided Rao-Blackwell theorem. So provides a methodology to optimize estimation. It proves that if a crude unbiased estimator is conditioned upon a sufficient statistic, the resulting conditional expectation yields an estimator with minimized variance across, and it is a process widely termed as Blackwellization. Okay. Apart from this, Sir C.R. Rao provided Rao's score test. It is also termed as Lagrange multiplier test. And he also provided differential geometric methods into statistics by defining the Rao distance. Okay. Apart from this, he invented orthogonal arrays in 1947, which became critical tool for industrial quality control, telecommunication, and Taguchi experimental designs. Okay. Now, the third important figure is Sir Raj Chandra Bose, R.C. Bose. He is the master of combinatorics, graphs theory, and design of experiments. R.C. Bose bridged advanced linear algebra, geometry, and statistical experiment design involving major problems in computational computer systems and information theory. So, one of the most important contribution of Sir R.C. Bose was PBIBD, partially balanced incomplete block design. You can remember this term. So, in collaboration with K.R. Nair in 1939, he conceptualized PBIB designs. Okay, so these are the design of experiment topics, partially balanced incomplete box design. This solved a major practical limitation in agricultural and industrial testing where balanced setups required more experimental configurations than resource constraints allowed. Okay, apart from this, he provided BCH codes. He co-invented the BCH class of cyclic error correcting codes in 1960. These codes revolutionized digital communications, solid state memory, satellite broadcasting, and telecommunications by automatically detecting and correcting multiple random error patterns. Apart from this, one of the important contribution of Sir R.C. Bose was disproof of Euler's conjecture. Alongside S.S. Srikhande and E.T. Parker, he disproved Euler's 1782 mathematical conjecture, where claimed that no ratio Latin squares of order n equals to 4k plus 2 could exist. So in 1959, they constructed an orthogonal Latin square of order 10, a feat that drew global academic acclaim. Now the fourth important figure was Sir S. N. Roy. He was an important figure in the field of multivariate analysis and non-parametric inference. He provided groundbreaking contributions to mathematical multivariate analysis, developing techniques to evaluate complex multivariable systems simultaneously. His key contribution includes Roy's union intersection principle, developed a highly structured framework for testing complex multi-parameter hypotheses. Second contribution is simultaneous multivariate confidence bounds. He derived exact confidence intervals for parametric vectors within multivariate normal populations, particularly regarding eigenvalues of covariance matrices, allowing researchers to simultaneously bound variances across multiple coupled matrices. And the third contribution of him was categorical data analysis. He pioneered mathematical logic extending classical continuous analysis of variance structures to complex multi-dimensional contingency tables and qualitative datasets. Now, the fifth important figure is Sir P.V. Sukhatme. Pardon me if my pronunciation is wrong. So he is the architecture of agricultural sampling systems, and he is the director of statistics at FAO. So he was the director of statistics at FAO. So P.V. Sukhatme excelled in applying robust mathematical sampling models directly to institutional governance, agricultural output, and global nutritional economics. So his important contributions are a general crop estimation service, developed and formalized India's multi-stage stratified random sampling framework for crop yield measurements. The second contribution of him was the Sukhatme Margen Hypothesis. He challenged traditional nutrition assumptions by demonstrating that at lower calorie intake levels, the human body adopts by increasing its metabolic efficiency within a homostatic range. This redefined international hunger measurement, moving matrices from purely protein deficits to balanced energy expenditure modeling. And his third contribution is he authored Sampling Theory of Surveys with Applications, an international reference manual that systematically bridges rigorous mathematical theory with complex field logistics. There are some additional prominent contributors too. One of these contributors was Devdutt Basu. So he universally acclaimed for Basu's theorem in 1955, which states that any boundedly complete sufficient statistic is independent of any ancillary statistic. This theorem serves as an essential tool in mathematical statistics to quickly establish the independence of sample matrices, such as independent relationship between sample mean and sample variance under normal distributions. And the second name is Cramér. He renowned for creating the mathematical blueprint for partially balanced incomplete block designs (PBIB) alongside R.C. Bose, executing early frameworks for structural industrial quality control throughout India. The third name was S.S. Srikhande. He is a distinguished combinatorist with co-authored the disproof of Euler's conjecture. He discovered the Srikhande graph, a highly unique, strongly regular graph with 16 vertices and 48 edges, vital to advanced graph and coding theories. Now here we have a quick reference syllabus matrix. It is a summary of entire above discussion. So you can take a shot of this entire summary table, and this is very important for examination point of view, especially for UGC NET statistics and other RBI and other competitive exams. I hope this video is very helpful for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Statistics Curiosity. If there are any other topics you would like me to cover, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Thank you.